Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, beta? Once again, sorry, is some technical issues. So I was trying to sort out these issues. So Alhamdulillah, I have now started my class once again, and you. So once again, Assalamu alaikum, and I think all you are being fine, and we are going to discuss, as I told you, that the ideology of character of nation, any nation. Is it clear? So this is actually called the national character. So open your books as you have opened already your books. So page number 11, and without any delay, I'm going to start my first topic. So all you can see that ideology and the national character is our today's topic. So what is the national character? What is the meaning of national character? So first of all, we have to understand the meaning of character. कि character हम कहते किसको हैं actually, ठीक है? What is the meaning of character in actual manner? So if we sum up यानी हम मिलाते हैं, हम जमा करते हैं, we collect some manners in any personality, in any individual, or collectively in the nation. That manners, that ethics are called actually character. So which are these? These are habits, attitudes, and way of living of any individual. So these are two or three check marks of basically the character. अगर हमें किसी के भी कैरेक्टर के बारे में जानना है, इट मीन्स नॉट इन द नेगेटिव सेंस. It means that if I will ask you, or anyone will ask you, what is the meaning of character, then you can say the character means habits, attitude, and the way of living of any individual. Is it clear? So किसी की भी आदत को देखकर, उसके रवैये को देखकर, उसके लिविंग स्टाइल को देखकर कि हम अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि which type of person is this. Is it clear? So underline this line. It is influenced by the ideology of an individual. इसको भी अंडरलाइन कर लीजिए. यानी कि we can check any individual by his habits, his or her habits, attitudes, and way of living, and then it is influenced by the ideology of an individual. So इससे हमें उस शख्स की थिंकिंग, उसकी आइडियोलॉजी, उसके कॉन्सेप्ट्स के बारे में पता चल सकता है. The following elements shape the national character. So as a nation, as a person of any country, we must have some qualities within us. Is it clear? So actually these are called the national character. एक हमारा अपना कैरेक्टर होता है, ठीक है? Our own, individually, our own way of living, way of thinking, way of doing anything. ठीक है? एक हमारा अपना कैरेक्टर होता है, एक हमारी अपनी हैबिट्स होती हैं, पर्सनल हैबिट्स, इंडिविजुअली. So these habits are called our character, but collectively as a nation, we must have all these 6 qualities or 7 qualities. uh, in this book there are so many qualities, but in this book, Sumaya, what is the problem, beta? Sumaya, are you listening me? So as a nation, we must have all these qualities within us. Is it clear? So what is the first quality? Underline first 2 lines. Vania, beta, show me your book. Vania, show me your book.
मिस मिस अभी मेरे पास बुक नहीं है, तो मेरे बाबा ने कहा, वो शॉर्ट थी, तो मेरे बाबा ने कहा था कि ना मैं सैटरडे वाले दिन मैं ले आऊंगा.
Okay, Vania, be focused towards your lecture, beta. Be attentive. Is it clear? Okay, Iman, show me your book, beta. Ramla. Okay. Have you underlined the first 2 lines? Meaning of national character? Iman, Jay Kumar, आपने अंडरलाइन किया है?
मिस मैं मान बोल रही हूँ मिस, मेरे पास ना बुक नहीं, तो मैं आपके इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स मैं लेक्चर में नोट कर रही हूँ।
Okay, very good. Thank you. So nice of
I don't have book.
who is this? तभी इधर
Miss
उधर
me.
देख रहे हैं ना. Be focused towards your lecture, beta. Everything is in your slides, and I'm telling you, I'm giving you just the definition of every topic, because these are lengthy topics. So which important things I'm going to tell you, please do write. इनको लिखिए. You have to write in your notebook the important points. This is not very easy book, beta. Be attentive, be focused. Otherwise you will face very big problem in the future. अगर आप अभी से इस पे अटेंटिव नहीं रहेंगे, पूरा अपना कंप्लीट वर्क नहीं करेंगे, you will face so many problems in this subject. So many difficult things, so many terms are there, and I'm going to tell you everything in detail. तो हमारे पास बार बार टाइम तो नहीं होगा कि हम बार बार इसको देखें, तो आपको फिर याद भी नहीं रहेगा. सो नोट डाउन एवरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. ओके, सो look at this. First topic is belief. You can see on your book as well. Firm belief in ideology. हमारा पक्का यकीन होना चाहिए ideology पे. A firm belief in the national ideology contributes positively. If we have a strong belief in our ideology, in our forefathers ideology, and all, you know that we get our country through an specific ideology, and that specific ideology is the ideology of Islam. So our leaders and our like Qaid Azam and other leaders get their country, and they struggled about the ideology of Islam. So they wanted to get the country where Muslim can perform all their prayers, and they can perform all their teachings of Quran according to Islam's teaching, according to Allah. तो उसके लिए उन्होंने अपना ये मुल्क लिया. So everybody, we should have also a firm belief in our national ideology, and it also contributes positively. If we have our strong belief in our ideology, so we will contribute positively in the towards the development of Muslim character into the national spirit, and his or her action shall not be directed towards national interest. Is it clear? So if we have a strong belief in our ideology, and that is the ideology of Islam, so we will become the strong Muslims, and we will not do any wrong thing which will hurt our each other, which will harm to the prosperity of our country, and we will become the strong Muslims. Is it clear? So our ideology stems from Islam. Zaire, the foundation of our ideology is Islam. हमारी आइडियोलॉजी की जड़ें जो हैं, स्टेम्स जो हैं, वो कहाँ पर हैं? इन इस्लाम. So Islam is the strong foundation of our ideology, because we have an Islamic ideology, and in our country it is also written in our constitution that every law, every rule will be according to Islam. No rule, no law will be active in the country which is not according to Quran and Sunnah. So our constitution is exactly according to the teachings of Quran and Sunnah. And if we all have also, देखिए हमें इतनी ज़्यादा अपने लिए उतनी ज़्यादा हमें वो चीज़ें फील नहीं होती. We celebrate 14th August, we celebrate 6th September, we celebrate so many other national occasions like 23rd March, but we just celebrate, I think. We just celebrate. We do not feel these all these things, and everything which was happened in the past on that specific days, we do not feel by heart. We just celebrate. So we have to feel our ideology by heart. We have to feel our we have to strong belief, firm belief in our ideology. Is it clear? So we can become a good Muslim. We can become a good nation as a nation. Is it clear? And we will develop our country better. So this is the meaning of firm belief in ideology, and we all know that the foundation of our ideology is in the in Islam. Is it clear? So next will be last line. Therefore, we should build our character in the light of Islamic values. So underline this line. If we have a strong belief in our ideology and our ideology is based on Islam, so if we will follow our ideology, we will follow Islam definitely, and in the result we should build our character personally, individually, in the light of Islamic values. Is it clear? Abdullah, आपके पास book है? Have you book? Show me your book, बेटा Abdullah. Abdullah bin Ishtiyaq, बेटा, show me your book. आपके पास book नहीं है? बेटा फिर write down the important points. When you will be all there in the physical classes, I will ask the different questions about the previous topics. Then we will proceed in our further lectures. Note down all these things. Definitely, I will give you the review of the previous lectures in the physical classes, but you must be attentive. Note down all these things. Okay. At least note down the definitions which I am going to show you on your slides. Okay. Next one is commitment. So everybody knows that we should have we should have the strong commitment for our any objective. हमारे हमारे कोई भी goal है, हमारा objective है कोई भी, we should be committed with it. हमें उसके साथ committed होना पड़ता है. Same like our studies, if we will not committed our studies, we will not get the good marks. Is it clear? Same like that, commitment means devotion. First of all, underline these lines. The meaning of commitment is devotion. So I forgot about the belief, the meaning of belief. So you can write down the meaning of belief, which is the first topic. Meaning of belief is the trust. Is it clear? We have a great trust on our ideology. Same like that, the meaning of commitment is devotion. Devotion with a sense of duty and responsibility. I told you, na, if we are not committed, we will not committed to any goal of our life. We will not get the good results. So the meaning of commitment is also devotion. We have to devote ourselves to achieve our goals. We have to devote ourselves to get good marks. We have to devote ourselves. We have our devotion in ourselves to get the any goal. Is it clear? To get the success. So commitment means devotion with a sense of duty and responsibility. Underline कीजिए इस line को. A person who acts in conformity with the national ideology, full devotes himself or herself to the cause of nation. So if we are committed by ourselves, अगर हम अपने आप से committed होंगे, then we will be committed as a nation with our country. Is it clear? So if we have a habit of commitment, then we will get our all the goals. We will get the we will success, we will get the success, we will achieve our all wishes. जो भी ख्वाहिशें हैं हमारी वो हम हासिल कर सकेंगे. Same like that, we will get a prosperous country, and we will contribute our responsibilities in the shape of devotion in our to our country. Is it clear? अगर हम devoted होंगे, we will committed, then we will get a good result. Is it clear? In our life as well as for our country. So Our character should reflect the highest virtue in the Islamic way of life. तो हमारे अंदर कमिटमेंट कैसे आएगी? We should have to follow the teachings of Islam. We should be committed according to the teachings of Islam. So we will get our goals and we will be able to show the national character. Is it clear? हम दोनों चीजों को साथ लेकर चल रहे हैं. We have to compare ourselves as well as a nation. So these are the qualities which should be there in our personalities as well, and in as a nation भी हमारे अंदर ये qualities होनी चाहिए. So look at your book on page number 12. Pakistanis manifested their national characters during the war of 1965 when they stood like a rock against the enemy and foiled its evil designs. Is it clear? So underline the last line. This is very good example. Do you know about the war of 1965? How Pakistanis spoiled all the bad thinking and bad plans of the enemies. Anyone can tell me? Raise your hands, beta. Raise your hands. Yes, Muhammad Ali. Yes. Tell me, beta. Sheroz, Muhammad Ali, Iman, Abdullah, Vania. There are so many students in the class. Anyone who can tell me about the war of 1965? Yes, Muhammad Ali, unmute yourself, beta. Tell me.
Assalamualaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. बोलिए अली जल्दी.
1965 war was between India and Pakistan.
How the Pakistani nation spoiled all the bad plans of all the bitter plans of the enemy of like India is our enemy at that time. So
Well, because the army, because the people as well as army fought.
thank you so much. Very
And the fighting you for 17 days.
yes, yes, and all the nation stood like a rock. And I told you that the common persons and the nation did not have any type of weapon with them, but they said that this is their country and no one can snatch this country from them. And they came out their houses with any type of stick, any type of, उनके पास कुछ भी नहीं था, किसी के पास जो हाथ में आया वो सब लेकर बाहर निकल आए और बॉर्डर की तरफ भागे. एंड they pushed the Indian army back to towards their borders. And Indian army said that they will take tea at the time of sharp 4 o'clock in Lahore. They said they thought that they will conquer and they will get and they will capture Lahore in a day, within a day. But the people of Lahore and so many other countries who were there near the borders of India, they all came out their houses. And definitely there was a great part of army there, but the common persons, the nation of the country was very strong at that time. Today we are not so strong. So that's why we are telling you, and this book is telling you about the national character. So this is the great example of war of 1965 in the topic of commitment. They all are very much committed to get the freedom. Is it clear? And they wanted to sustain their freedom. So they came out their houses. Yes, Rumesa? Yes? Rumesa, turn off your mic, beta. Okay, beta. The lecture I'm going to finish the lecture here, and the remaining all the remaining topics will be discussed in the next lecture. But you have to open your copies right now, maintain your indices. I will not upload any type of I will sorry this is 8th class, sorry, I will upload home assignment as well. Is it clear? And I will show you a short question in my slide as well. So if you want to maintain your indices, you can maintain your indices right after my lecture when I will upload my home assignment. Then you will see all type of numbers of questions, and you can see the index there. So you have to maintain your indices right after your lecture. So put on the today's date at the top of your page and start writing. We have I think 6 minutes, because there was some technical issue there, and we have not much time because I have started my class again. So we have just 6 minutes, beta. This is your question number 6. Am I right? Or the sequence of questions are wrong? Tell me, Sheroz, is this the right number of short questions? We have done how many questions we have done? How many short questions?
5.
Miss
Okay.
5.
Okay. So you
5.
write down the question number 6. So this is the right number. Anyhow, you can see the right number of short question and descriptive question in your indices, in my index as well, when I will upload. And listen everybody, I'm going to upload a long question, a descriptive question right after my class. You have to copy down this question as well, and all these questions will be written in copy 1 na? Sheroz, this is your copy 1.
Yes,
No,
no,
Miss, copy 2.
copy 2.
Why?
Test copy 2.
Yes.
It's copy 2.
Okay. Okay, I forgot that I'm talking
कॉपी
to
2 है
last date. Okay. Okay, you have to write down these questions in your copy 2 because copy 1 is in school. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, if you will not be able to complete your this short question, you can take the screenshot, and or you can copy down this question right after the lecture when I will upload this lecture. Is it clear? So question is, why is an ideology important to our nation? Why is an ideology important to our nation? Question mark. This question uh, will be written in 2 types. Is it clear? So might be possible in any test or paper, you will see the question number 1, or the you can see the type number 2. So write down the both of the questions. Why is an ideology important to our nation? Or write any 4 significance of ideology. तो दोनों तरह से आपको ये क्वेश्चन पेपर में आ सकता है या किसी भी टेस्ट में, एनी हाउ. ओके, आइडियोलॉजी इज सिग्निफिकेंट बिकॉज, इसी तरह से आप लिखेंगे with points 1 2 3 and 4. Ideology is significant because number 1, it reflects the ideas of people. It reflects the ideas of the people and determines their way of living, comma, thinking and social interaction, full stop. Thinking and social interaction. Number 2, don't be panic. You have much time to do this. You can take a screenshot, or you can copy down this question when I will upload the lecture. So don't worry. Do your work neat and clean, and don't forget to maintain your indices. Is it clear? When you will come in your physical classes, your work must be completed, each and every question. There will be no type of no any relaxation. Is it clear? So you have much time to do this. It helps people unite on one platform. It helps people unite on one platform, and affords a source of manifestation means manifesto जो होता है, rules and regulations. This is called manifesto actually. Satpuram, what is the problem? बेटा ये जिसका भी माइक ऑन है ना, I will expel you from the class, and I'm going to expel you. Okay. Number 3, it is a motivating force for deeds and actions. It is a motivating force for deeds and action. People may willingly sacrifice anything for a certain cause.
मिस
Yes,
मिस नंबर 2 में आखिरी लास्ट लाइन है ऑफ द नेशन, उसके बाद क्या लिखा है?
of the national strength. Is it clear?
ओके,
National
यस
strength.
मिस, थैंक यू.
This question is also related to the national character, which I have discussed with you. So all these are the 4 significances of the national character. Is it clear? So number 4, ideology provides an insight. Ideology provides an insight in making the choice of the leader. In making the choice of the leaders. When we have a strong ideology, then we will be able to select we will able to elect our leaders. Is it clear? So we have an insight to choose our better leaders. Is it clear? If we will be strong followers of ideology of our country, then we will get a strong leader for our country. It helps in making right decisions and preserve the freedom, culture and tradition. Beta, time is over. So you can complete your work. If you have not completed your question, then you can complete your work right after uploading the lecture. Abdullah bin Ishtiaq, your work must be completed. Please copy down from my lecture, and I am going to upload one descriptive question as well. So you have to copy down this question as well. Is it clear? So that's all for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Ali beta, copy down this question from my lecture. Can you hear me? Okay. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.